Friending someone on Facebook helps you stay connected with people you care about. Adding a friend means you'll be able to see each other's profile and activity on Facebook. You control who your friends are, and you can always unfriend someone, or you can block people if you don't want them to see you on Facebook. Stay connected by creating a post to share updates about your life with your Facebook friends. Here are just a few things you can share with your post. You can share words to express your thoughts and opinions, or a feeling you have right now, like feeling grateful or feeling pumped. Or an activity you're currently doing, like celebrating a birthday or attending a wedding. You can share photos and videos that capture significant moments in your life, or animated GIFs that reveal your mood. Animated GIFs are very short video fragments often played on repeat. You can also share your current location. Show people where you are by checking in. A link to a site you want people to check out, like an article you just read or a recipe you just tried. You can also choose to share your updates by adding them to your story. Your stories will be visible to your selected audience for 24 hours. Any photos or videos you add to your story on Facebook will also appear in your story on Messenger. Stories use a vertical format, which was designed with mobile phones in mind. When you share a post, it may appear on your friend's newsfeed, a rolling list of updates that people see when they first log onto Facebook. Similarly, after you added friends on Facebook, you'll also be able to see their updates on your newsfeed. Stories appear above the newsfeed of the people you decide to share your story with, as well as in their Messenger inbox. When you see a post from a friend on your newsfeed, you get engaged with it in a few different ways. You can like the post by just clicking like or express a more specific reaction to it, such as love or laugh, sad or angry. You can leave a comment in the form of words, photos and videos, or even GIFs to share a response. If you want your friends to see the post, you can also share the post on your own profile by clicking share. In addition to posts from your friends, you could also see updates from people you find interesting, but don't know personally, like journalists or celebrities on your newsfeed. While you can't directly add them as a friend, you can do this by following them. Well-known public figures with large followings are verified by Facebook, and they have a blue badge next to their name to help you know that they really are who they claim to be. Connect with other people by joining groups on Facebook. Groups are a place to communicate about shared interests with certain people.